Good day, everyone, and welcome to this special episode of Mommy Guide Inc., where I take you to the Mediterranean. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you an exciting adventure that's been a long time coming. Remember that dream Mediterranean cruise we were supposed to embark on in 2020? Well, the wait is finally over. Grab your passports and let's dive into this unforgettable journey. But wait, just days before our flight, a tropical storm decided to make an appearance in the Philippines. The possibility of a flight delay or even cancellation was looming over us. It seemed like our dreams were about to be put on hold once again. But by the grace of God, the storm cleared up just in time. With a sigh of relief, we found ourselves at the airport, ready to kick off the adventure. Fasten your seatbelts. After 8 hours and 45 minutes of air travel, we touched down in the dazzling city of Dubai. It was 11 p.m. local time, and the city's vibrant lights were just starting to come alive. Our layover was 4 hours, and soon enough, we were airborne once again. At 3:25 a.m., our journey continued, bound for the beautiful city of Barcelona. The flight was smooth, uneventful, and before we knew it, we were greeted by the morning sun as we touched down at 8:35 a.m. local time. Stepping off the plane, the excitement was palpable. The long-awaited adventure was finally becoming a reality. A short 30-minute ride brought us to our cozy Airbnb nestled in the heart of the Rambla, Catalunya area. A bit of rest was in order, but not for long. As soon as our energy was replenished, we hit the streets to explore Rambla, Catalunya, our home away from home. It was a vibrant tapestry of culture, brimming with bustling restaurants, charming bars, and stores that beckoned with hidden treasures. From the culinary delights to the lively ambience, every step in Barcelona was a celebration of life. The sun-soaked streets, the laughter of locals and fellow travelers, and the feeling of wanderlust in the air. It was a symphony of experiences that we'll forever cherish. Oh, and how could I forget to mention the mouth-watering culinary delights we indulged in during our first day in Barcelona. As we strolled through the vibrant streets, our senses led us to an enchanting restaurant where the aromas of Spanish cuisine were impossible to resist. At the heart of the experience were the tapas and pinchos, a symphony of flavors that danced on our taste buds. Each bite was a burst of Spain's rich culinary heritage, a fusion of tradition and innovation. And speaking of flavors, who could resist the allure of gelato? We couldn't, of course. With the gelato in hand, we continued our adventure through the streets of Barcelona, savoring every moment and every flavor. But the day's journey wasn't over just yet. Our wanderlust led us to a bustling local market where the vibrant colors of fresh produce and lively atmosphere added to the city's charm. With hearts and bellies full, we finally headed back to our home away from home. Rest was in order as we needed to recharge for the upcoming adventures that awaited us on day 2. And there you have it, the incredible journey from Manila to Dubai and finally Barcelona. The twists and turns, the stormy challenges, and the triumphs of adventure all captured in this unforgettable chapter of our lives. Be sure to check out our video link below for a closer look at the stunning views and heartwarming moments. Until next time, fellow explorers, bye!